Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, and hello awesome people. So I gotta tell you, on YouTube, the Paul Cottrell channel, he is a doctor of global economics. He's not a medical doctor yet. He's on his master's degree studying cancer and virology. I try to watch all of his channels, all his videos. He covers the, I don't know, one to five videos a day on the coronavirus and how to stay healthy. Yeah, he's on his master's degree so far for being an MD, but he's interviewing lots of doctors. And if you're seeing this on Facebook, you need to click that channel so that you end up on the YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, you're going to be able to see in my links down below the Paul Cottrell link, so you can watch his video. He's interviewing two doctors. One doctor has some solutions. It's not a cure. It's like a diuretic, like a vitamin. It's a silver solution that it's water soluble. You drink it, and there's a reaction, and it helps to flush this COVID-19 out of your system. The Dr. Penderson that's selling this stuff has worked with the MERS coronavirus and the SARS coronavirus. Now he's going to Europe in the next couple days to cover the COVID-19. And he's going to be speaking at like a convention or something with lots and lots of doctors global. If he's not going to get it, he's also got the cough drops, a hand soap, and before he's working with patients that has any kind of the virus, that he puts this gel on his lips and his hands to help stave off this sickness. And I got a link for that down below as well. So when you're out in public, which I'm getting ready to go do now, don't touch your eyes, don't touch your lips, don't put your finger in your nose, don't put your finger in your ears. And I do this one also at work. I wash my hands before and after going to the restroom. Because one of the doctors that's on that video, if you click that and you watch the whole show with the three doctors, they're going to tell you your hands are 74% of the problem with the people contacting this virus. I just want you all to be vigilant, and I want you all to be safe, and I don't want you, all the people that I know, whether you're watching my videos or I work with you, or my soldiers and family members, I don't want you getting sick. I don't want you to catch this. So I bought a bundle and some cough drops from the Dr. Penderson's site. I want to see how this stuff works. Now, I have to tell you, I haven't been sick. It's a new month in like 17 months. So 17, 18 months now. And that's the way it's going to roll. If you're going to be a homesteader, you got to learn how not to get sick and eat healthy and stay fit. Keep your immune system up. I got some vitamin A. Vitamin D3 is also good for this. Keep your immune system up. I need to go get some vitamin C. I got a list of stuff that I'm going to get right now. How about get a 50-pound bag of rice while I'm up there? Some chicken bouillon. So, don't let this come to a theater near you. And another day, I'm walking on sunshine. Looks like all day. It's supposed to be partly cloudy, but I rocked on with the solar power all day yesterday, as well as today. So yeah, I'm going to end it right here. And I want you to have a beautiful, safe, sunshiny, and don't get contaminated. Stay safe. Good day.